Hello everyone, hope you are safe. Let's discuss the solution for this question. In this question, it is given that M1 is equal to 5 kg, M2 is equal to 10 kg, right? And the friction between the horizontal surface of M2 is 0.15 frictional constant, correct? So we need to find the value of M. So let's see the solution. In the solution, assuming that the objects are in equilibrium, that means Fr, the force applied here, is equal to T. The same force would be present in this string, that is tension is equal to the gravitational force applied on this object, right? So at equilibrium, Fr would be equal to this gravitational object force. The value of Fr, to calculate that, uh, the formula is the coefficient, frictional coefficient into m2 plus m, that total mass, into gravitational constant, acceleration due to gravitation, small g, correct? So Fr max is equal to nu into m2 plus m into small g. Putting in the values, we get nu into 10 plus m small g is equal to 5 into small g, as m1 is equal to 5 kg, right? We cancel out g on either sides and take nu in division on the right hand side. So 10 plus m is equal to 5 upon 0.15. Remove the decimal and dividing to the least possible fraction, 10 plus m is equal to 100 upon 3. Taking 10 on the right hand side, we get m equal to 70 upon 3, that is equal to, on division in decimal, 23.3 kg. Thus the minimum weight in the option is 27.3. The correct option thus is option D.